You've got data, but what if your data could predict your next big move? And turning it into real insights without technical skills or complex SQL feels tricky, right? Well, not anymore. Welcome to Fortune Cookie. Getting started is easy. You can upload files, connect to spreadsheets, or even link to SQL. Rest assured, your data is safe. It's all quick and seamless. And honestly, this is just a sneak peek of what Fortune Cookie can do. Now, once you're all set up, Fortune Cookie's got you covered. It suggests meaningful questions tailored to your data, so you can explore without second guessing. And in no time, Fortune Cookie provides tailored AI-powered insights. From a quick data overview to a detailed analysis, it's all ready to go. And if the AI doesn't quite nail it, no problem. You can easily tweak and refine the interpretation. Perfect for those trickier data sets. So now what? Got a question? Just ask. The chat interface is intuitive and quick. It understands context, so you can build on previous queries without having to repeat yourself. It's like talking to an expert who's always on point. Got your answer, but want to refine it? Just use the change query feature to tweak values, adjust parameters, and get the exact results you need. Easy, right? And when you need more clarity, visualizations are at your fingertips. From dynamic charts to interactive graphs, everything adjusts seamlessly to your data, also offering intuitive range sliders to explore even the most complex data sets. In addition, multiple visualizations are provided for the same question to offer different perspectives. But what if you're in a hurry? That's when the / command interface comes in. It's like a shortcut to visualizations. Just select the visualization you want, type your prompt, and Fortune Cookie delivers instant insights. Quick, simple, and all in one go. Okay, now let's switch things up. With a single click, switch between professional and friendly persona. It's a fun way to make your insights feel more engaging and easy to follow. Now, let's go further with our dynamic canvas board, also known as this. Start by creating a Viz file. Then enable the edit mode and select a dataset and ask a question. This generates the perfect chart, plus other visualization options to choose from. If needed, you can easily copy the generated chart and paste it into external platforms like PowerPoint, chat applications, or over email. And when you're satisfied with your visual story, you can export it as a report and share it with your team. So now you see, with Fortune Cookie, turning data into insights couldn't be easier. Say goodbye to complex tools and tech jargon. Give Fortune Cookie a try and see how your data works for you.